Hello, this is Brian again. This is part 2 of my attempt at Circle Mountain. Come up a little ways, became a fire break, then I kind of lost it, and then I saw this little pathway just on my right, so I joined up with it. So I'm actually going slightly downhill for maybe about 20 yards. Come across a nice thicket of skunk brush right here, Rus aromatica. Just before it starts leafing out. The flower buds are starting to swell, you can tell. This plant is related to poison oak, and it's actually quite similar in appearance to poison oak because it has 3 leaflets like poison oak. Only the leaflets are usually a bit smaller, and they lack a terminal stalk at the top leaflet. And just like you see here, they preset their flower buds the year before. So they preset these last summer to open up. So let's say they preset them in summer of 2019 and fall of 2019 to open up now in spring of 2020. And the buds are starting to swell, so the flowers should be opening up pretty soon, followed by the new leaves. So that's how you can tell the difference between this and poison oak. Plus, we're above 6,000 feet, so I wouldn't expect to see poison oak at this elevation. I've never seen it above 5,300, 5,400 feet before. So that's skunk brush right there, a nice little colony of it. I think they're pretty good past fire colonizers as well. So we're on a nice little level stretch. The initial pitch on the fire break was very steep, and I had to climb around a couple of pinyon pine snags. So it was pretty steep coming up. And I imagine it's probably going to get pretty steep again. This should lead me there. Oh, here's another skunk brush right here. Again, the flower buds are starting to swell. There's a lot of it around here actually, on both sides of the trail. It's a pretty plant. Like poison oak, the leaves turn beautiful colors like red and scarlet, orange and yellow in the fall before they fall off. One plant that I would say to look out for, since this is a relatively recent burn area, is poodle dog bush. Thought I saw a dead one, but I'm not sure. So I'm just keeping my eyes for that. It's kind of neat seeing this little spot here. For a second I thought the sun was going to come out, but we're just too sucked in over here. A lot of desert almond here. A lot of it too. Sure picked a pretty area. So let's see if this starts going uphill. Alright. At least it's going uphill instead of downhill. I think there's supposed to be a few undulations around here. Oh, this keeps going up, so this must be the right one. Again, apricot mallow. It's a perennial in the mallow family. Spiralsea and bigwa. It's starting to put out its new spring growth, as it is a subshrub slash perennial. Well, I'm going to keep on heading up this, and I will see you at the next spot.